Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Charles Schwab with Fidelity. The first thing I'm going to compare or talk about is what do I actually think about both of these platforms. Then I'm going to compare fees, like which one is actually better, regards like options, ETFs, stocks, and then about customer service and how it actually feels to use Charles Schwab or Fidelity. So let's start. Now, both of these brokers are really great for long-term investing. I wouldn't personally use Fidelity or Charles Schwab if I would like to invest, like if I would like to do day trading. That's a bad decision. Use Robinhood for that, or I know Webull, or Think or Swim, but not both these two. Swing trading, option trading, and also long-term investing into ETF and stocks. This is the best you can do with these brokers. When we're gonna talk about the fees here, they got both free stock and ETF trading, so it's like every single broker got it. But there is maybe like difference in how much does it cost to option trade. So Charles Schwab offers a 0.65 per contract. Fidelity, on the other hand, also 0.65 per contract. So even that is same. So stocks, ETF, really similar for long-term investing. When we're gonna look on also bond fees, that's 0, bond fees 0.2. So many people are even saying that it really depends like which design you like more, Charles Schwab or Fidelity. Another thing is that customer service on both of these is top-notch. So even Fidelity, when you would call them, they're going to explain to you everything in a matter of minutes. And they're really they're like just know what they talk about. Again, online security, Fidelity got 2FA, so that's like secure, and you don't have to really worry about it. And yeah, another thing is that Charles Schwab got better travel benefits with their debit and credit card. Fidelity credit card is better for rental cars and day-to-day spending. However, Fidelity has slightly cheaper index mutual funds, a little bit cheaper only. And if you like to travel, I would pick Schwab, but right now not in these times because we live in a like strange times. But in the future, if you like to travel, I would choose Schwab. So to go further, how it actually feels to use and trading platform, both are great, but as I mentioned, don't use it for day trading. Go with the option trading, swing trading, long-term investing into stocks and ETF. I would definitely go this way. So what you want to do is invest to ETF stocks on Fidelity or Charles Schwab, and then use Robinhood or Webull for investing into day trading. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.